say 2024 Denali Ultimate finally growing on me. This was a really interesting color that was chosen. Check out Alex's Saturn truck, he got it back. But this was a really interesting color that the guy chose on this one. I really like the way it turned out. He had the vision, and man, did it work. Not a stone unturned with this truck. 2024 GMC Denali Ultimate 2500. Actually, it's a 3500, my mistake. We did the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with 28x14 JTX Paradigms, custom painted, powder coated. It's got the 38, 13, 50, 28 Fury MT. Also, we did the King shocks on there. Every possible upgrade that McGaughys had except for the face plates. Everything is custom powder coated. The color is gold copper and the accent color is gloss black, obviously, but it goes together perfectly. There's also powder coated brake calipers. There's powder coated steps on the side. The trim piece on the steps even the same color. Kicker braces, torsion bar drops. He even went as far as to do obviously the traction bars, but he did the train horn as well. Beautiful color. A lot of people don't realize how hard it is to actually get the brake caliper the same color, but man, they did it. It's amazing. It's only one of about 4 trucks that we've done this year so far, 2024s. And I have to say myself that this one's my favorite. Definitely looks like more of our style kind of build here. Just absolutely beautiful. Also got custom caps from Cap King that float, and that's his nickname, Muck. Goes perfect with the JTX Forged wheel. And this is the factory paint. This is the tri-coat white, but he has an overlay over the top of it that makes it look almost matte finish. It's definitely different. You have to appreciate that. This one's gonna be cool. 2020 F-150 Limited, crew cab, short bed, all color match truck. This truck's gonna get an 8-inch FTS lift kit, 26x14 Archon Lincoln wheels, and then some looks like Predator New Mutant RTs maybe. No, XATs. This is an all-terrain. New tire, don't have much experience with it, but we'll see. It does look really good, so hopefully it rides good too. You never can tell when you try a new one. We found out the Furies, you know, they have their issues here and there, but Fury's probably the best option in a 26 because Nitto and Toyo don't really offer anything. So we'll see if these do good. If these ride smooth during the test drive, we might start selling a few sets of them. He brought us all the parts for this truck, and man, did he stack it up. Man's playing Tetris over here. We'll get everything unboxed and show you some stuff here in a little bit, but just a little quick before everything gets done. This is how small the truck is. It's almost like the Limiteds are a little bit shorter than the, you know, regular four-wheel drive Lariat or whatever, but very, very nice truck, and I know it's gonna look good when it's done. She's just about done. 2019 F-150. Got the 8-inch FTS lift kit with the 26x14 Archon Lincolns and 37-inch New Mutant Predators. Haven't gotten the test drive done yet, so I'm not really sure yet how the tires are gonna ride, but they look pretty good. I'd say they're probably in the same category as the Venom Power RT. I'm pretty sure it's the same manufacturer, but I think they did a little bit better job on the tread on this tire. I like the way it looks more. Has more of a detailed corner on the sidewall. And the sidewall designs aren't too bad either. A lot of these, you know, overseas tires have some off-the-wall designs on the sidewall that really ruins the whole tire, but this one's not too bad at all. Good stance on the truck. And that Limited's just perfect with the color match bumpers. It looks really, really nice. Brown and tan interior. Limited badges are cool. It's numbered with the VIN number on it too. I guess they only made, I don't know how many of these they make every year. It's probably 10,000 maybe, because this is number 8472. Somebody told me that they only did Limiteds every 2 years, but I think that's wrong because I'm pretty sure this is a 19 truck. FTS cross member looks beautiful.